everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So finally getting back to doing a video. It's been a while. I figured I'd try to do one. I've been doing shorts stuff here and there, but kind of felt good enough to try a video today. You can see I've been fighting the polar bears since they're so prevalent here in Alabama. No, that's unfortunate events from just being stuck so many times and stuff due to treatments and platelets being low, and platelets are part of the clotting process, and I'm not clotting the best since mine are low due to chemo, but felt good enough today to do a little video. So this is going to be kind of an experiment. Not sure, 100% sure how it's going to turn out, but pretty sure it's going to be good because I'm doing it. No, I'm just kidding. But I know the flavors are going to come together. So start off with my little red onion here. Get it chopped up and thrown into the good old crock pot. I love a crock pot. Easy, simple. Kind of just set it and forget it deal. You know, like the old Ron Popeil.
I'll slide it back. If you followed all the instructional material, you just set it and forget it.
Deal. I already got it on high, so I can kind of just go ahead and start getting them onions cooked on up. So what I'll be doing, like I said, starting here with my red onion as I'm chunking it everywhere. But it'll get in there eventually. Getting it chopped up, and I'm just gonna leave it kind of on the bottom as a buffer for the meat that we'll put in there. And it's kind of just a rough chop. I'm not being perfect with it or worrying about size, because as long as it cooks, it's gonna break down anyway. So I just want it in there as a buffer and for flavor as well. So get that in there, that out the way, and a few stragglers that are hiding, not wanting to go in there. There we go, got them mixed around. And let's get out the good old, well, I'll leave that off because I gotta leave it off when I'll do my pork. But probably won't show all of this because it's gonna get smoky and it'll probably be loud because I got the fan in the window behind y'all because it's gonna get smoky and I don't want the smoke alarm hollering in here. But I'll go ahead and get that cranked up and going. But I'm gonna do a kind of quick little indoor grill on these. Get them going good. And I'm seasoning them off with the good old Uncle Steve's, the smoke bomb, because kind of wanted that good strong smoky flavor to them since I'm not outside of doing it right now. So I'm gonna throw a good kind of grill sear on both sides of these. Then I'll throw them in there. And then I'm gonna go with some banana pepper rings, the whole jar, juice and all. And then I'm gonna do a package of this. I've used it before on the Portuguese pickled onions, and they were really good. Y'all have to check out that video. I'll try to leave it tagged in the comments for y'all. But that's the plan for that. And then I'm just gonna probably add a little water to cover them up. And I said it's already on high. Gotta get my onions going and just let it go until those fall apart tender. And what that is, it was good old discount stuff. I always, when I'm in the store, I look, check, see what they have, and those were reduced for quick sale. And this is boneless pork steaks, and they were like anywhere from like $1.30 to $1.66 with 3 in a pack. So I was just like, that's a pretty good deal, and I can use it for whatever I'm gonna use it for. So that's the plan. Grill those up, chunk it in, juice on top, some of the other seasoning, water, and then we'll just let them ride until they're tender, and then I'll be chowing down on it. So I'll let this come up, get it going, get hot, and then I'll show you what the color kind of I want to get on them. And then I'll probably cut, so pour in seasoning and water and cover it up and going. But it's already getting pretty toasty. Let's see what temp it is. It's not smoking yet. Well, there it goes. There you go. Yeah, it's hot. 512 or 5 something. So yeah, there we go. Hot. There we go. Get those on there and get them going. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off because it's gonna get loud in here and smoky too. So I'll see y'all in a few. Shoo! Y'all see the smoke? Man, it gets. If you're doing indoor grilling like that, you better have enough fans, good exhaust fan, windows open, gas mask. It gets smoky in here. So after choking through the smoke and getting it blown out of here, maybe it's not as bad, but it smells good in here. So I got them grilled up. I'll throw in a clip of what they look like or what their color is wanting to look like. It was looking good and smelling good, so we'll go ahead and get these banana pepper rings. If I can, there we go. Oh, about lost the juice. Want all that juice. And these were mild. You can use whichever and however hot you want them, juice and all, going in. Those things are awesome on a sandwich. And then I'm going to go in with the package of this. Dust that over the top good. And this kind of has like a zesty Italian kind of taste, you know, that dressing, but better. You know, it's got fuller flavor to me than it. And then I'm just going to pour on water until they kind of get covered up. Move them around. There we go. There we go. That's 4 cups of water. I'm gonna give me a little bit more water. Just enough water to cover them. So 8 cups of water. That's how much it takes, or took in my case. So now I'm just gonna cover that and let her roll on high until they get kind of fall apart tender. So pretty sure it's gonna be good. I like that kind of tangy, zesty flavor, especially with pork and chicken. And these were the, like I said, the boneless pork steak. So now all I'm gonna do is let that ride, clean up a little bit. Already kind of, hopefully got the smoke out of here. Got that kind of cleaned up. But I'm gonna clean up, chill out, and let these ride, and then I'll come back with y'all and when they're kind of tender and tell you how they come out. So I'll see y'all when they're done. So see y'all in a few for y'all, and probably I guess 4 hours for me. So see y'all. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. I almost forgot something. Where do I live? Alabama. What do we do? Butter. Yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna put a stick of butter in here with that. Let it ride, kind of like the Mississippi roast deal. So set that on top. Let it ride. So also a stick of butter goes in. So salted butter too. So now I'll see y'all in a little bit. We're probably 4 hours. So see y'all again. Alrighty, folks, I'm back here with you. It took a little shorter than what I thought. I was thinking probably 4 hours or so, but it's been a little over 3 hours. So again, what I did with them, I chopped up my onion, the red onion, threw in the bottom. Had the pork steaks, seasoned them off with the good old Steve shake, the smoke bomb, because I wanted kind of that smoky kind of hit and flavor to it. since I was doing it indoors. Now I let them sit in the fridge for a while so they can let that seasoning adhere good to them, and then grilled them off. Got it good smoky near and choky, and had to fan it out. And then once those were just got kind of good marks on them, because I didn't want them all the way done, because I knew I was gonna put them in the good old crock pot to finish. Put them in. Then I put in the whole jar of my banana pepper rings. They were mild, juice and all. Poured them on top. Put in a package of this seasoning. I can't say it. I'll just have to show it. I can't say it. I put in it. But then I got to thinking a little bit later, as much water as I put, because I put 8 cups of water, I went ahead and put in another package of that. So 2 of these went in there. Then the butter, couldn't forget my butter. It went in there as well, and then in the water. And then I had it on high. And then I just chilled for a while and just let them go. And checked them just maybe 10 minutes ago, and I was like, whoa, they're already good to go. So pulled me one out, got me a few peppers and onions as well in there. Yep, definitely tender. Good. There we go. Got some of the juices that came in. Got that kind of tangy zinginess from this seasoning, and then kind of you can get that pepperoncini taste as well. And then with the Uncle Steve's, it's smoky, but in the smoke bomb, you get that grill taste. It's not true grill, but it kind of satisfies you. That's good, boy. For that. Can't talk for eating. Won't get another bite. Good stuff. A little spice too from this. And this, if I can remember, it has a touch of spice to it as well. But this is a little spicy. Not like, oh, spicy, but you're like, oh, that's got spice, like I've said before. Spice that's nice. I'm gonna eat a pepperoncini here. Or really, banana pepper. They're good too. Kind of takes out that tanginess when they cook that long. But it helps to tender up the meat. There's the onion. That's good. Real good. Yeah, see, little nostril going, but it's not hot. But yeah, ooh, those are good. Real good. I hadn't done it before, so it's new and trying it out, especially with this season. I want to see how I do like that. But yeah, that is good. Go ahead and turn that off, because they do. Forgot to do that. But yeah, wow. If you got a little pork steaks that you've either grilled up or want to grill up, do them like this. That is good. I don't want to talk, I just want to eat. Sorry, y'all. That's good. Real good. Super tender. Still got pretty good moisture in it too, since it was cooking and all that. Moisture and butter and stuff. That was good. I'm going to get me another one or possibly 2 out and chow down on some supper because it's 5:47 here. So, but anyways, yeah, good one to be back to do a video. Felt like doing it, so wanted to try this one out. Definitely good. Ooh, like I said, I want to shut up and just eat and not even have to talk, but you gotta kind of explain what you did instead of just eating it. But anyways, good to be back. I don't know how often I'll be able to do it because kind of chemo's it's drained me pretty good this time. So, but I'm hanging in there, keep hanging in there, and I appreciate y'all hanging in there with me. So, thank y'all very much. Really do appreciate it. Good to have a good family and good head to tail family. So, thank y'all. So, I'm gonna jump on off of here and chow down some more because that's really good. Real good. So, thank y'all for watching this one with me and seeing how it went, and definitely try it out because it's good. It's real good. I'll have stuff in the description below of what all did and what all went in. So, thank y'all again. Y'all like, share, and subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already. And when you do, hey, welcome on into the Head to Tail family. We'll love you and welcome you. So, thank you again, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.